Why do we have both introverts and extroverts? If evolution just wanted humans to survive, why didn't it make us all similar with one surviving personality trait? I need 3 business days to recover from a brunch, while others are like, but what about second brunch? To this day, I thought they were just conditioning from childhood that stuck. Turns out, something like 40 to 60% is genetic. There is biological, evolutionary, and historical basis for both of them. In reality, introversion and extroversion are just two ends of one ancient spectrum. Extroverts aren't just outgoing, and introverts aren't just quiet. Psychologist Hans Eysenck found that introverts have higher baseline cortical arousal, meaning their brains are already buzzing, too much input, and they short circuit. Extroverts have lower arousal, so they need more stimulation to feel balanced. Think of it like introverts' radios are already tuned to max volume, extroverts need to crank the dial to hear anything. Research by Depew and Collins tied this to dopamine. Extroverts have lower dopamine sensitivity, so they chase novelty and social reward. Introverts' brains hit the reward threshold faster, so they prefer depth over breadth. Listen to this. This variation is not just in humans, and probably existed even before humans. Across species, from stickleback fish to chimpanzees, scientists found bold and shy behavioral types coexisting. In unpredictable environments, risk takers discover new food. In dangerous ones, cautious types survive longer. Genetically, this is a form of what's called balancing selection. By the time early humans formed tribes, we may have had early versions of both temperaments built in. The bold ones scouted new lands, the cautious ones kept the fire from going out. One found opportunity, and the other preserved it. Fast forward to agrarian societies, predictable farming life started rewarding patience, consistency, stability, traits on the introversion side. Meanwhile, traders and explorers could have been the proto-extroverts who thrived through connection and charisma. Planners stayed, talkers traveled. Ancient Greece gave this a theory, the 4 temperaments of Hippocrates. Among them, melancholic or reserved versus sanguine and outgoing. Neither was better, balance was the goal. Religion kind of complicated it, I'd say. Monks glorified silence and contemplation, while missionaries and preachers praised charisma. Same instincts, different halos. By the Industrial Revolution, the cultural pendulum swung again. Extroversion became the new virtue. Salesmen, speakers, entrepreneurs. Meanwhile, Confucian and East Asian societies kept valuing modesty and composure, introversion as a form of maturity. And Jung, in early 1900s, finally gave these instincts the names introversion and extroversion, orientations of energy, inward or outward. Not opposites, complements. If you've ever wished you were more outgoing like I do, or less social like the problem I wish I had, remember that evolution never meant everyone to be the same. It meant everyone to continue together as an ecosystem. That manifested as you balancing someone else. Some expand, some stabilize, one finds a mountain, the other makes a map. Another cultural shift can just as well flip the reward system again. Looks like whichever way you swing, you're here because nature found a part for you. Exactly the kind of human the species needed to survive the next curveball. Be gentle with yourself.